What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a quick video about my Jordan 1 collection. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a brand new Sean Wotherspoon cap, an Under Armour Hover Sonic, and a Pokemon Fila Charizard sneaker the moment we hit 15,000 subscribers. We're just a few hundred subscribers away for that, so make sure that you guys subscribe and you make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Don't expect Jordan 1 Off-Whites in this video because they're really just ridiculously overpriced right now, and I really can't see myself paying over 100 grand or over $2,000 for a sneaker. First up, we have the Bread Toes, and like I said in my review, which I'll link down below, the main reason why I copped this one was mainly due to the nostalgia of Michael Jordan. The red, black, and white colors of the Chicago Bulls was something that was just hard to refuse. And being a Jordan 1 silhouette with that color blocking, it's just so friggin' amazing. So again, that's the main reason why I copped this one. Has a lot of memories, has a lot of just nostalgia and just amazing sense of wonder with Michael Jordan when I was still watching him play on TV when I was still young. Again, Jordan 1 Bread Toes. Next up, we have the Jordan 1 Game Royal, that familiar blue, white, and black colorway. And the reason why I love this particular shoe is for two reasons. Number one, blue is my favorite color. Number two, to those who live in the Philippines, Atenista po ako, I'm an Atenean. These are my school colors, blue and white. And that's basically it. This is so easy to wear, goes well with jeans, both dark and your usual blue jeans. I just love this shoe. One of the best Jordan 1s in my opinion. Next up, we have the Shadow. And the reason why I love this shoe is really the color blocking. Number one, it's just so kick-ass. Tagalog, sobrang angas. When it comes to versatility, it's also very easy to wear with the black and gray muted colors. Definitely one of my favorite, easiest to wear Jordan 1s. Yes, I have yellow Jordan 1s. These are, I can't remember the exact name. I think they're called Retro Love or New Love. But this is again one of my favorite Jordan 1s because out of my entire collection, this is the head turner. This is the shoe that will just get those eyes glued to your feet because they're just so loud, so fun, and so unique. I mean, seriously, yellow, black, white. That's just a friggin' crazy colorway you have on an amazing iconic silhouette, and that's the reason why I love this particular Jordan 1 in my collection. You can never forget your first, and as you guys saw with my previous review, this is my first Jordan 1. This is the Jordan 1 Wheat, and this for me is my Tito Jordans. When I say Tito Jordans, Uncle Jordans, it's the shoe that I think a lot of the older guys would appreciate, even though if they're not basketball or sneaker guys or basketball fans or sneakerheads, mainly because of the subtle color, the classy buttery suede, and just the timeless look that this particular shoe has. Best thing about it, it's already on sale at outlet stores here in the Philippines, selling for a little over 5,000 pesos. I'll put a link down below as well to the review and the outlet shopping video that I did featuring this particular shoe. Jordan 1 Wheat. You can never go wrong with all black Jordan 1s. And this is, again, probably the most versatile. I know that I call the Shadow versatile, but it's probably number one in versatility, mainly because it's just a black boot with the Jordan 1 iconic silhouette, the detailing, and the overall look and feel. I just love this shoe. So easy to wear, hella comfortable as well, especially if you put my favorite Deerupt insole in them. Last but not the least was the Jordan 1 that I shared with you guys in one of my latest unboxing videos, the one with the StockX haul. I'll put a link down below for that one in the comment section. This is the Jordan 1 Cool Gray, and again, the best thing about this particular silhouette is that the colorway, the color blocking is just sick. It's so subtle, it's so smooth, it's so suave, and it doesn't scream and pop too much, but it has a sense of elegance and class to it, despite being a Jordan 1 basketball sneaker. So again, here you have it. This is the Jordan 1 Cool Gray, one of my favorite pickups so far. Cheap pickups at that. This one would cost me a little over 5,000 pesos, shipping included. Such a winner shoe. Love this one, Jordan 1 Cool Gray. It still even has the StockX verified tag. I haven't worn it yet, but yeah, There you go. The only color I don't have is an all-white Jordan 1, but I have no plans of getting that one because I already have this one, which I think has more pop and has more character. This isn't the Jordan 1, guys. This is actually the Solan collab with Nike for their SB Dunk High. I did a review on this. I'll put the link down below just in case you haven't seen it yet. But this is, without a doubt, one of my favorite pickups for the year so far. It just looks so fresh, so cool, so amazingly epic. And that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And this ends my Jordan 1 series. As you guys saw in the past videos, I did a bunch of Jordan 1 videos. For the next few videos, we go back to regular programming. We'll do some of unboxings. I have a bunch of new shoes. I'll do a few reviews and I'll do some top 5s as well as some recommendations. I've been reading your comments and I know what kind of videos that you guys are asking for. Rest assured that I'm working on all of them. That's it for now. Have a great weekend. Peace. God bless.